DMP here, and today we're playing hide and seek with Jackson. There's his butt. Jackson, go hide behind there. Actually, I don't know what you're hiding. I made that. I don't know what you're hiding, so I'm going to close my eyes, count to 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I mean 14. Alright, where are you? You're over here. What is that? I see that cord right there. What the actual hell? That's a freaking chainsaw. That is a freaking chainsaw. Oh my gosh. That is a chainsaw. Oh my gosh. We don't even have a chainsaw. That is not mine. Jackson! Come here! We found a chainsaw.
Where?
Come here. Look! A chainsaw! There's a freaking chainsaw! Right freaking there! Look at that chainsaw!
That isn't ours.
Yeah, it is! I don't know what I just said. My mind gets mixed up, Jackson. That is not ours.
How did the freak did it get in our yard then?
I don't know. Or did somebody that could throw really hard, did they throw it on? No. Our neighbors are really nice. Shout out to my neighbors. So, yeah. Let's go take it out. Can you hold this camera? Actually, no.
No, I can put.
I'll put it down. I'll put you guys down for a minute.